Welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I bring to you another of my summer special, that is homemade tasty kulfi with only 3 ingredients. That takes me back to my childhood when we were used to the kulfi wala coming down the streets and we ran out to taste the kulfi. Today it's so easy to be made at home and with a minimum of ingredients. I'm sure you children who are preparing for your exams will be waiting for it to be over so that you can enjoy tasty, delicious, creamy kulfi at home. If you like my video, please do not forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's start with making our kulfi. The ingredients are full cream milk 1 liter, 1 cup sugar, pista or pistachios, almonds or badam and kaju or cashew nuts cut into sliver, about 4 to 5 tablespoons. Ice cream sticks for the kulfi and 5 to 6 kulfi molds. Green cardamom or Elachi 6. Seeds removed and ground fine. Place a kadai on the stove. Pour the milk into the kadai. Light the gas. Once the milk starts boiling, lower the stove and allow the milk to simmer. Keep stirring it continuously so that it does not stick to the bottom. It will take around 30 to 45 minutes to reduce to less than half. Our milk has started to thicken. It has turned a little creamish. Now we shall add the sugar. Continue stirring it. Our milk has reduced to less than 50%. Its texture is nice and grainy. After it cools, it will become a little more thicker. We shall switch off the stove and let the mixture come to room temperature. While the mixture is cooling, I shall add the cardamom powder, add the chopped dry fruits, give it a nice stir. Our mixture has cooled. Now we shall pour it into the kulfi molds. Our creamy kulfi is ready. I am covering it with a foil and I will be making a small slit in the top. I will be placing a stick into each slit. Our kulfi molds are ready to go into the freezer where they have to be put for 6 to 8 hours, after which they will be ready to be eaten. So friends, now our kulfi is set and ready to be demolded. We shall roll the kulfi mold between our 2 palms to just give it a little bit of heat and place it in a glass containing a little water. Turn it around and bring it out. Decorate it and garnish it with a little bit of pista. So friends, our creamy, tasty kulfi is ready to be eaten. Do make it for your family and friends and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe. Till then, bye bye.